Welcome to another episode of Kookievision. In this video, I'm going to be making a winged heart. So I've got a winged heart shaped cookie and I'm outlining the actual heart shape, and this is a red royal icing. This is a number 2 tip with a piping consistency, and I've just outlined the outside and I'm going to fill it in with a flooding consistency of the same color that I have here in a squeeze bottle. And I'll use my scribe tool here to get rid of any air bubbles and get all that icing towards the edges. And while it's still wet, I want to add a little bit of a shine, like a cartoon shine. So I've got a white flooding consistency royal icing here in a squeeze bottle, and I'm just doing a little curve around the left side of the heart. You can do it around the right side if you want, it's totally up to you, but it's just a little like teardrop is what I'm going for. And again, while it's still wet, I want to add a little extra shine, so I've got a dust pump here that I filled with luster dust. I used Super Pearl Sparkle Dust by Roxy and Rich, which is totally 100% edible, just to give it a little extra shine. And I'm also going to outline the wings. I'm using a white piping consistency royal icing with a number 2 tip, and I've outlined the 2 wings on the edges, and I'm going to fill them in with a flooding consistency of the same color that I have here in a squeeze bottle, and I'll use my scribe tool to get all that icing towards the edges and pop any air bubbles if needed. And I want this heart to dry completely before I move on to the next step. I always let my flooding layers dry overnight, and I'm using a number 1 tip this time with a piping consistency black royal icing. And instead of just outlining the entire thing, I've went up from the bottom and did a nice big swirl, and then the other side I'm just going to leave plain. And I'm going to outline the wings as well. I'm going to give them a cute little swirl on the bottom before I finish the entire wing. So I'll start off that swirl and then outline the rest. And I really just like this bold black outline. It really pulls it all together, and those nice swirls kind of make it extra whimsical instead of just outlining everything on the outside. And there we go, we've got some beautiful winged whimsical looking hearts here, and they'd be perfect for Valentine's Day or for a wedding. You could totally change up that red and make it more color coordinated for what you need them for. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like me on Facebook and on Instagram. Bye!